WELLMAKING makes a photo and video stage light for your camera needs. If you're on stage or you're making creative videos and you want to put a filter on like so, imitating a blind, the sun, and more. Now what we're going to do is show you what this product is about. An A230 snoot or 15 watt. This is a 40 watt snoot for photography and video needs with metal filters, 20 of them, with the standard RGB and yellow 5 plastic filters that go into the lens. It's adjustable in 2 ways, as well as different colors of the spectrum as you go through the cycles of the 4 different colors and back to the standard white. It takes a 7800 milliamp battery inside, and unscrewing the unit will get the lens off and into the battery. It's not just a flashlight. With the T18 heart shaped and the snoot holder, the filter holder simply slide in, clips into place, slides into the slot of the flashlight either way, snaps in, and shines the heart, and you could change the different spectrum colors. Pulling the flashlight will bend and change the shape a little around the edges, and adjusting the top for the focal, or adjusting the whole flashlight for focusing. 20 metal filters, red, green, blue, and plastic filter. The gobo, the lanyard area for the strap, 18650 batteries to equal 7800 milliamps, 2600 milliamps per, that goes into the cylinder, screws down to the main housing, and locks into the controller with the silicone USB-A and C charging area, not just a flashlight, with the focal of moving up and down and turning the unit on by a double press to a nice wide spectrum to the main optical area that screws on to the focal adjustment that locks down, and the filter area, the 1/4 20 thread, the steepless adjustable dimmer. Double press to turn on, long press to dim down with the flash, press to brighten and let go for your desired level of brightness, single press to change to a cyan, a blue, a red, and back to the white. Adjusting feather touches the edging, and pulling out narrows the beam. And adjusting. Double press shuts off. Plugging in the USB-A to the charging port, the USB-C to the charging port of the light, and we are charging. With the gobo placed in, firmly pushed, the center we're going to adjust to angle correctly, and we're going to place in TO1. TO1 is a bunch of squares, and press in. Double press to turn on, pull to bring in, a feather to bring out, to adjust an angle. As we change out TO1, we'll show you what TO2 looks like. A window, TO3, TO4, and pressing on a color. These are just some of the filters that we have on the unit. An arched window, and so forth. With red, green, and blue, and the changing of the colors, we get a multicolored type image. As you can see, these are the three images on the unit. So if you're looking for a well-making photography and video light to imitate a window and more, this may be something that you are looking for in a filter system. Hours on use, 7800 milliamp battery, a number of hours to charge, and many hours of runtime. Be creative with your well-making studio light. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for in 3 of the models they offer. Enjoy your flashlight, studio light, photo and video stage light. Thank you for viewing.